In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 3D tour to your Zillow listing. So what you want to do is come on to Zillow and go on to your manager, so rental manager in my case, and you want to go over to your listing and go to resume or edit. Now, when you're in here, you want to go down to the media options. So up here you can see there's the photo options, and here is the 3D tour options. So you want to click add tour. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can use the Zillow 3D Home app. I'll show you that method first. So you click download app here, and it's going to send you to this page, and it's going to ask you to put your phone number in here. Now, this is for US numbers only. So you put your number in here, it's going to text you the app. It's going to give you a link to the app. Now, this is completely free to use, and it's going to be easy to create. They use your iPhone or Android camera, or you can use a 3D 360 degree camera. And what they'll do is they'll create panoramas which will then be turned into 3D tours. Now, they do have these 3D cameras available to buy. They're very expensive, but if you have this as your business, then it's definitely worth it because you're going to get high quality, good tours, and it's going to sell your property for more and get more views, all that kind of stuff. Sell quicker, you know. Now, going back, so that's the first way you can do it. You do it on here, and they'll show you how to link it all up. Next way is you can do it from another site. So these are all the third-party sites that they include. I'm just going to give you an example of one here on the left. This one's called Cloud Pano, and this is just another software. You can use your phone for it, but they also have this device they use for it. And what they're going to do is you're going to upload all the panoramas to here, and it's going to allow you to create the tour from there. You do it in their little application. Then what that's going to do is going to give you a link, and then you can put the link into here and put save, and that's going to add that to your property. So that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.